Bye, Misha. I will miss you. Mama's going to work. You behave, okay? Alright, Misha? You behave. I'm going to work. I'm so excited. Bye, Misha. Bye. I have to go. Alright, you behave, alright? Love you. Bye. Bye, Misha. Where's my car? I'm going to work. I think I found my car. Time right now is 9:34. Today is Monday, April 1st. I'm just warming up my car. I'm going to work. Hi everyone. It's 9:34 in the evening.